Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FunMath number 103.
FunMath number 103. Okay, so we're deviating a little bit from following art of problem solving because we are taking a little field trip today. So we're not doing art of problem solving today. And secondly, we also ran across a pretty neat problem yesterday, both on a MOEMS test and on Minute Math number 74. So we're going to do a problem that was similar to one of the MOEMS problems from yesterday. Okay?
Yep.
All right, here we go. A, B, C, and D are standing in a line. So let's call the gold guy A, the guy with the white helmet B, this whoever this guy is C. Who's this guy?
Garmadon.
Garmadon is D. Okay. So they're standing in line. And let's say this is the front and this is the back. Just to be clear?
Yep.
Okay. So we say A is in front of B, C is in front of D. How many different ways could they be standing? So the gold guy's A, this guy's B, C, D. So does this work? Is A in front of...
Yeah, A's in front of B and C's in front of D.
Okay, so here the way we set them up is one way that happens to work, but we're trying to figure out all the ways that work. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, so let's erase. I'll give you a little bit of room. How do you want to figure this out?
Well, we could figure out all the ones starting with A.
All right, let's find all the ones starting with A. Okay, so A is first. So pretend, we'll count this one again. So how could you set them up?
A, you do A, C, B, D.
Okay, so A, C, B, D works. A is in front of B, C is in front of D. Okay, very good. That's one way.
And A, C, D, B.
A, C, D, B works. A is in front of B, C is in front of D. Very good.
And A, B, C, D.
Okay, now these are the only two choices that start with A, C, right? So we have to start with someone else. We're trying to keep A first. So let's put B second. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now what's the other choice that starts with B?
B's here.
No, the other choice that starts with A, B. I'm sorry, I said it wrong.
A, B, there's this choice, except it said that D is in front of
C is
in front of D.
C is in front of D. So that one doesn't work. Okay. Now, so the other choice starting with A, B doesn't work. Is there a choice that starts with A, D? Will that work?
No, because C is in front of D.
Okay. We can't start with A, D, so that'll work. So we found three that start with A. Okay, very good.
Though B can't go here because A is in front of B.
Ah, interesting. A, B, there aren't any that start with B. Very good, because if it started with B, then B would not be in front of A. Or sorry, then A would not be in front of B.
So let's start with C.
Okay, so we could have some that start with C. All right?
We can do C, A, B, D.
C, A, B, D. Okay, A is in front of B, C is in front of D. Very good.
C, A, D, B.
C, A, D, B. Okay, excellent. That's A is in front of B, C is in front of D.
And then C, D, A, B.
C, D, A, B. Okay, very good. So notice again, there were two that start with C, A, so now we have to try something else. So let's try C, D, and that C, D, A, B works. There is another one that starts C, D. What is it?
It's C, D, B, A, except
that doesn't work because A has to be in front of B. Okay, great. Now, the other choice is to start C, B.
Except that doesn't work either because A would have to be here.
Right, A has to be in front of B. Okay, so there you go. Now, and then the last, here are the ones that work that start with A. We said none of them can start with B because A has to be in front of B. Here are the ones that start with C. Now, what about the ones that start with D?
You can't start with D because C is in front of D.
Which guy's D? I forget now.
Garmadon's D.
D. Okay, so you can't start with D. All right, hey, so there we go. So we actually just simply counted, right? How many were there?
Yep.
There were yep?
There were 6 of them.
There were 6 of them. Were there 6 of them?
Yes.
Were there yep of them? No. There were 6 of them. Okay, very good. So that was very similar to the problem from your MOEMS test yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. High five. Who's the red guy, by the way? What's his real name?
Kozo.
Kozu? Cool. Alright, good job.